But then we go on to the rear arches, which they're not too pretty. This is the 504 Peugeot rally car that you've seen before. I'm going to do some repair panels. But we've got to recreate a swage to strengthen it somehow. So we've been looking at making our own in-house, and Jacob's been on the job trying to sort something out. So my first job was down in that front end corner. It's being a rally car, it's had a bit of a life.
So is there any major issues or problems that crop up with this particularly to other stuff, or
No, it's all just,
rinse and repeat?
yeah, a little bit. Take it apart carefully, take some measurements and some patterns. Yeah, and if you have a look around the other side, I'm in the process of doing this one. I did that side first because it was more original, slightly better, didn't have any accident damage, apart from spot welds. So I know what it looks like. This side had quite a lot of damage and a lot of rocks. Yes, that's what I've taken out of that corner. That's the strengthening plate.
And is that just for rust or crash damage?
Yeah, it's rust. Partly you get weather and water going down this hole here. That's actually a little drain hole there. So it goes down the bulkhead, inside there, and sits all in that corner. Hence the rot.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that skin was good. Both corners had gone here. So to get to that, you've got to remove this, which was rotted anyway. That's the end of the sill there, which was full up of Sahara sand. Had to get all that out. Yeah, so I should do this bit, then the curve. You can see here all the different layers, so you've got to make sure you get the right bit first, then the next panel over the top, and again the inner layers of that, and then splash guard at the end.
Nice. So it's just about doing the right layer at the right time.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just going it through a methodical and logical way of doing it. I've just put a couple of measurements so that I know where the end of that seam comes. There's a hole here somewhere. Taking lots of photos.
Yeah.
It all goes back together as it should then.
And is that the worst part of the car?
No, we've got to do the boot floor. When I look at that.
Yeah.
So from that, there's so much shape. We've only got that.
Yeah, so the boot floor's got some corrosion, some splits. It's had repairs before. There's a nasty one there. To try and find some good metal back up here, so we've got some top. But yeah, there's a folded edge all the way around the outside. We might have to do it a little bit differently because again, there's layers of panels that get spot welded. So unless we take the whole car apart, we're not going to get to it. So I'll probably put a flange coming up and weld it down that side. As long as it's strong and can hold the fuel tank, we should be good. And there's some upright strengtheners running underneath as well. Probably have to replace those. But then we go on to the rear arches, which they're not too pretty. So top man Harry was up there,
Yeah.
removing all the undersill. So we've got local French rock, some up there. See, it's been patched before, but there's some nasty patches at the top. While the car's doing its round the world rally, whatever, they needed to patch up various bits.
This bit here,
So that
pretty.
So that would probably originally have been a seatbelt nut. So that's not going to be used that. No, but we'll have to cut it out and make it good. You see, they have to obviously have harnesses. These are all for the seat belts, what have you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's all inside that. They'll have to go.
So that's easier in the sense that you haven't got to fabricate another seatbelt mounting point. You can just make it clean metal.
Yeah, just make it look. But bit under there's a bit awkward because it's all up there, uphill welding. I mean, we might be able to turn the car over, but we're going to have to see what the customer, how far they want to go. So, ideally, you'd want to take the outer skin off, put a new arch in, put another outer skin on, but that's, again, it's a lot of work.
Cool. Better let you get back to doing this. Yeah.